Hello, y'all. I'm Nikki Eisenhower. This is my newsletter, and I'm going to present to you a monthly mantra. Now, this might be a challenge, and I'm going to talk us through it, so let me share it with you. I trust in the organized chaos that is life, and do not fret. So what I'm looking at over here on my screen is a little bit of Bob Ross sticky notes. I trust in the organized chaos that is life, and do not fret. Now, that's a hard one when we don't like what's going on, right? So what I'm offering you, the challenge that I'm offering within this mantra that can ground us and help us feel light and easy, is that I trust in the organized chaos that is life. Now, that doesn't mean I like the organized chaos that's happening. It doesn't mean I'm excited when there's chaos brought into my life that I didn't want, I didn't invite, and now I have to deal with. But what I can trust in is the ebb and flow. I can trust in how the universe is really chaotic and stressful, and then we have some really beautiful moments and some relief and lightness. It has always been. Look back at your life. You don't have to believe me. Look back at your own life for the proof that you need, because it sits right there. Every single thing you've ever fretted about, every single thing that I have thought I wouldn't survive or this time in life wouldn't pass on, has passed. That's the beauty in being in the present moment. And to be fully in the present moment, not fretting around into the future of how it's always been and how it's not easier now, or how it's hard and maybe going to get harder. We don't have to put our energy into that past fretting or future fretting. So I can disagree with what's going on. And I can still trust in the organized chaos that is life, and do not fret. I trust in the organized chaos that is life, and do not fret. If you are a highly sensitive person, particularly an empath, this is a very important point. And the last thing I'm going to say about this before I let you run to your busy life that we don't want to fret about, right? If we're empaths, if we're highly sensitive, and if we're surviving, a lot of what we feel can be very, very intense. When we look out in the world, there's a lot of bad human behavior right now on all sides, all around, wherever we look. As sensitive empaths, we have to put our feet down. What's the right phrase? But we have to stand up for ourselves. We have to sort of stand up, dig our heels in a little bit, almost use our stubbornness healthily. That's what this mantra means to me. I trust in the organized chaos that is life. I don't do that lightly or easily. I do that in a grounded kind of roaring, all right, life, I get you. I know you. You can't pull one over on me. Might not be able to have a faith that things are going to be smooth, but I can trust in the organized chaos that is life. Every up comes down. Every down finds another up. I can trust in that. That's in dealing what is and helping ourselves ground that things will shift. And that's super useful for empaths, that whatever we're feeling, it feels like we're in it and we're stuck in it. And the light at the end of the tunnel can be really hard for us to find or see or find faith in and trust. That's what this mantra is for. I trust in the organized chaos that is life, and do not fret. Light and love. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.